Hello, friends. How are you? And I'm reading the Hindu. Uh, I'm reading the Hindu newspaper, and this time I'm reading Frankly Speaking. It's some kind of blog, and eminent personality gives their views on some kind of hot issues. So this time, Makarand Wangarkar writing something about Virat Kohli, and it is with caption Virat Kohli, a role model for the youth. Though I'm not a fan of Virat Kohli, and in fact, I don't even watch cricket. But let's read what it's saying because, yeah, he has got very much at this young age. So let's this let's read this. Virat Kohli is an inspiration and a role model for the youth today. We have seen his growing maturity. पहले थोड़ा गुस्सा करते थे बट अभी थोड़े मेचर बन गए, थोड़े परिपक्व हो गए. His consistency and his leadership ability. Consistency मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को लगातार शो करना. Consistency and his leadership ability. Despite this, it is fascinating what one can discover. Fascinating, actually, this word often comes in our life, and fascinating. Yeah, I'm fascinated about this. We do not know. Actually, I personally didn't know the exact meaning of this word. I knew that it's something positive word, something kind of happiness, but exact meaning of fascinating means extremely interesting. If I'm saying fascinating is बहुत ज़्यादा मनोरंजक, extremely interesting, that draws your attention. So it is fascinating what one can discover when there is a blend of knowledge and sensibilities of a third man perspective about the emergent idol. Blend of knowledge means mixture of knowledge and sensibilities of a third man's perspective. Perspective is nazariya about the emergent idol. Emergent means आस्कमिक आइडल तो मूर्ति होती है. The interaction I had with Chandu Borde at the Pune club was educational to say the least. So third man perspective, किसका perspective? चंदू बोर्डे की बात कर रहे हैं जिनसे ही मिले थे कहीं. Borde was one of the finest batsmen of India and has been known to be shrewd judge of the game. Shrewd means होता है clever, smart, judge of the game. He was also the coach cum manager on the tour of England when India won the series. We discussed the tactics of modern Indian player as he has batted against top quality international and domestic attack on different surfaces. He made astute means होता है having quality to judge something accurately. I have a good experience in cricket and I can judge everything about cricket accurately. तो astute उसे कहता है quality of judging something accurately. That's astute. What I कहा था मैं, astute observing about the batting style of Indian batsmen. He stated that Virat Kohli is the best batsman in the world right now. He reasoned by saying, Kohli is equally comfortable on back foot and front foot. A technical meaning होगी क्रिकेट की. Regardless of the format. Regardless means बिना परवाह किए. He reads the length, line, spin and swing quicker than most international batsmen and has time to execute strokes. He has the knack of finding gaps in the field. Knack means habit, adat, or natural skill of performing any task. So knack of finding gaps in the field and is fit enough to convert a single into twos and twos to threes. As a matter of fact, this was Borde's batting style too. Some old timers say that Borde was not given his due. ओल्ड टाइमर्स में पुराने जो रहने वाले हैं, पुराने जो मैच देखते आ रहे हैं, पुराने लोग जो हैं वो कहते हैं. द सिलेक्शन पॉलिटिक्स वॉज डीपली रूटेड इन इंडियन क्रिकेट बैक देन. पॉलिटिक्स चलती थी, जो अच्छा खेलता है ऐसा नहीं कि उसे ही बुलाया जाए. some kind of this ये कहना चाह रहे हैं. How can one be confident when the chairman of the national selection committees flies down to Nagpur during a Dilip Trophy match, assures him the captaincy, asks him to write down 15 names for the West Indies tour of 1971, and when the team is announced, he not only find out that he is not the captain, but also he is not even in the team. तो कितना बड़ा धोखा. It is blessing that times have changed. Kohli did not have to go through all this selection mass. Jamila. When questioned about Kohli's failure in England, Bode said, how many times did he tour England? Conditions are different and there are times when English batsmen struggle too. A player needs to adapt himself quickly. Adapt means to change, to transfer himself according to the surrounding. Adapts. अनुकूल बनाना, make something suitable for new surrounding. Adapt himself quickly, which means he has to spend more time in the nets and in the middle. Kohli is now mature and knows how to adapt to different conditions. Do not expect everyone to bat like Tendulkar. Initially, Kohli's aggression was bordering on indiscipline. Aggression था, but वो aggression क्रिकेट में तो दिखता था, बट थोड़े उनके जोश में इनडिसिप्लिन, गुस्सा कर देना, गाली दे देना, ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ उस पर ज़्यादा लगता. इट रैटल्ड हिम व्हेन सर्टेन सेक्शन ऑफ द मीडिया प्लेड इट अप. इट रैटल्ड मीन्स उन्हें परेशान कर दिया. इट वॉज रवि शास्त्री हैविंग द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बियरिंग द brunt of the media in the 80s. Brunt means कोई भी किसी का आघात, chief impact of a specified thing, who guided him to keep his focus. Once this aspect was taken care of, we got to watch the revised version of Kohli, who got his teammates or team member to gel as a family, leading from the front. The responsibility of Test captaincy seems to bring the best out of him. Leading from the front is easier said than done, but Kohli seems like a veteran on the field. Veteran means prominent, अच्छे खासे. Veteran अच्छे खासे नहीं, prominent can say, eminent can say, प्रख्यात, major. And his tactical moves gladden the hearts of many successful Indian captains. He manages time to perfection and keep himself mentally and physically fit to be consistent in all formats of the game. It is his zone that matters most to him, and he has managed to maintain that irrespective of the game situation. Even Greg Chappell, who scored over 700 runs in a series against fierce West Indies attack, writes, comparing them across Tendulkar's entire ODI career, Kohli has scored a large proportion of runs vis-a-vis Tendulkar. Vis-a-vis means आमने सामने, या फिर vis-a-vis आमने सामने भी होता है, vis-a-vis होता है काउंटरपार्ट भी कोई आदमी उसी पोजीशन में compete कर रहा हो या उसी पोजीशन. फॉर एग्जांपल डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया मीटिंग देयर काउंटरपार्ट ऑफ, कोई भी नाम दे दो, काउंटरपार्ट इन अमेरिका, काउंटरपार्ट ऑफ अमेरिका. काउंटरपार्ट मीन्स डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री वहाँ के, अमेरिका के. Tendulkar albeit at a lower strike rate. Albeit means होता है, albeit means होता है, albeit means होता है, sorry, albeit, it's called, we call it, pronounce it albeit means होता है यद्यपि, although, yeah, however, at a lower strike rate impact. But when it comes to building partnership, absorbing pressure and chasing, Kohli is ahead of Tendulkar. Kohli appears to be driven individual, so on the evidence so far, we can look forward to many more match winning performance and series defining efforts from him before he has finished. I don't claim to know Kohli as some of the journalists from Delhi do. They have followed his career since his school days. This is very important because one gets to observe the player change in attitude or approach over the years. One such man is Vijay Lokapalli, whose book Driven showcases a man's commitment to the game. The 2016-17 period is going to be tough for Kohli as a captain and a number 4 batsman. It could be very exhausting. Exhausting means थका हुआ, ठीक है. Exhausting. It will be riveting. Riveting means होता है, riveting भी same meaning, fascinating. Riveting means very interesting. To watch a man of his class tackle this period and emerge successfully. So that's for now, friends. I hope you're liking my videos. Actually, earlier I wanted to cover this article in 2 steps, but this time I did it in one stroke. So bye bye, take care.